Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a capture card for your PS4. First, connect your capture card to your computer using a USB 3.0 cable for optimal data transfer. Next, take one HDMI cable from your PS4 HDMI out port and plug it into the capture card's HDMI in port. Then, use a second HDMI cable to connect the capture card's HDMI out port to your television or monitor. Ensure all these connections are firm and secure. Once the physical connections are made, it's time for the software. Install the dedicated capture software and any necessary drivers on your computer. Launch the application and select your capture card as the primary video input device. You'll want to adjust the video resolution, typically aiming for 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second for smooth gameplay. Also, configure the audio input to capture both game sound and your microphone if you plan to narrate. Now, let's adjust your PS4 settings. Navigate to the System Settings menu. The most crucial step here is to disable HDCP or High Bandwidth Digital Content Protection, as it prevents video capture. Without disabling it, you'll likely see a black screen. Also, confirm your audio output is set to HDMI to ensure game sound is routed through the capture card. Double-check that your PS4 is outputting a resolution compatible with your capture device. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Start a game on your PS4 and check the capture software on your computer for both video and audio. If you encounter a black screen or no signal, first recheck all your cable connections and power sources. Ensure HDCP is definitely disabled on your PS4. If issues persist, consult your capture card's specific user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps. Enjoy capturing your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.